Hello everyone, good morning guys! Kumusta ang araw niyo dyan? So ito pa ang guyaba natin guys, hindi pa nakain. So tayo ay magko-coffee pa guys in this morning, no? So kumusta kayo dyan guys? How's your morning dyan? Magkakape pa kami guys, and then si Miming is here in front of me. Are you okay, Ming? Are you okay? Huh? Si Miming so cute. So guys, tayo ay magkakape pa guys. Nako, I think naglamig na naman tong ano ko guys. Yung ano ko madali lang din maglamig ang water. Pag maiwanan mo lang ng ilang minutes din, hindi mo maano. So very good, mainit pa naman. So tayo ay mag-coffee pa tayo guys. So how's your morning over there guys? Ito tayo, napabisi-busy pa tayo guys. It says good. So, kumusta ang morning nyo dyan, guys? Actually, nagpa-beauty pa ako, guys. Hindi pa tayo tapos, guys. Uy, nako. Ito yung update natin talaga, yung routine natin sa morning, guys. Diba? Kumusta kayo dyan, guys? I hope your morning is good and you have a good sleep and good maganda ang gising, maganda ang araw, maganda ang morning. So yun guys, ang update natin guys for today's morning. So ayun, dito pa tayo guys, napa beauty pa ang update natin guys. Diba? So yun lang guys. So I hope your day is good and we have a good day ahead and a blessed day to all of us. So thank you so much guys. Kape na tayo. Magkape na tayo guys. Mainit pa. Thank you for watching guys. Ang sarap. Wala naman akong tinapay guys kasi no time pa talaga nagpunta doon si Inday Joan banda guys para magbili ng tinapay. So we don't have tinapay na naman again in this morning. So, Miming, I'm gonna show you guys. Miming is here with me. So, he keeps he keep watching me. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Good morning. Good morning from Miming. Miming is feel good. Are you okay? Huh? Okay. Have a blessed day to all and good morning. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Bye na guys. See you next again. Thank you for watching. God bless us.